Here are 5 things you didn't know about Wu Zetian, China's only female emperor. First, she allegedly killed her own newborn daughter and blamed the empress to steal the throne. She smothered the baby with her bare hands, then screamed that the empress had murdered the child. The emperor believed her lies and banished his wife, making Wu Zetian the new empress. Second, she eliminated rivals by cutting off their hands and feet, then throwing them into wine vats to drown. Third, she created a secret police network that spied on everyone in the Tang dynasty. Citizens lived in terror, never knowing who might report them for treason. Fourth, she declared herself the reincarnation of Buddha to justify female rule in ancient China. She built massive statues of herself as the divine goddess. Fifth, she invented torture methods so brutal they became legendary across Asia. Prisoners were burned alive, buried in ice, or slowly crushed by massive stones. Yet somehow her 15-year reign became one of the most prosperous periods in Chinese history.